Excuse me? Hey, I was actually pressure washing just down the street and I noticed your driveway could use a cleaning. Would you be interested in allowing me to do it for free?
That'd be awesome. That car doesn't move though. Is there a way you could do it if that car doesn't move?
Well, if you want to help me push it, I could push it into the grass right here and that should free up the rest of the driveway for me to be able to clean it. So,
awesome.
If you want to help me do that, I can take care of the driveway for free.
Yeah, that would be perfect. Thank you.
All right, let's go then. What's going on, everybody? It's Dustin with Black and Gold Pressure Washing. We just pulled up to our job for the day. It is going to be cleaning this driveway. I don't know if you guys can tell how long it is, but I need to strap y'all in and let's get cleaning. Let's see if I can get this. I think I can just pop this off. Okay. Okay, I think I got it into neutral. Okay, we should be able to push this. 1, 2. Catch it on the rock.
Oh God.
Okay, yeah, you get in there and steer it. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. All right, there's good. All right, Joe. We recruited the neighbor's help. He was able to help us get it into the grass right there. So now I am good to pressure wash. Driveway is clear. Now at the end, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to push it back, but we got it. To be honest, I think this will be easier if I just push for a minute, so that's what I'm about to do. Got that rinse down now. What I'm gonna do is start surface cleaning, but I'm gonna start from up here at the top and then work my way down. All right, I'm gonna work this one in sections so that we can not have it dry on us. So I'm gonna rinse this down and I'm gonna rinse that down and then we'll get to it. All right, we're about to rinse down these 2 blocks and then keep moving. If it dries on the concrete, it's a lot harder to rinse it off at the end, so I'm just gonna do it in sections since this driveway is so long. I had to fight with that hose to get it back here a little bit, but we got it. We're about to rinse this down and then surface clean it, and then we'll be ready to post shoot. All right, we are done rinsing everything. Now I'm gonna take y'all back to the front and we'll start post treating it. So if you guys can see, the driveway is nice and rinsed now. All we gotta do is post treat it to lift any of these lines that may be left in any of these stains here. We're getting there though. The stains are definitely lifting, I can tell. I want y'all to see it while the sun's hitting it real quick. Look at that shine. She's starting to come clean right here. That's a tree shadow right there. But she's starting to come clean. All right, y'all, I decided I'm gonna put you guys on the first person for this last little part. So it shouldn't take too long. We just gotta get back to that back patio. I'm gonna pull some extra hose because we don't need it to get back there. But go to this back patio, treat that, and then rinse this driveway. Look at her though, she's already looking good. Looking good. I wanna rinse all this off though when we're done. Okay, so I want to hit that back patio real quick. Let's get this grass nice and wet. The doggy going crazy in there. Okay, we're good with that. Last step is going to be rinsing this down. So all we need to do is finish our rinse. We're close, baby, we're close. All right, we just finished up. Let's go get the client. Hello.
Hey.
Hey, I know it took a little bit longer than we thought, but everything did come out good. I just finished rinsing up, packing up my hoses. So I just figured I could show you before we left.
Looks nice, and the sun is shining.
Yes.
Way better.
It does look better. Now it's golden hour, it's hitting it just right. Okay, if you guys made it this far, We took care of this driveway free of charge. Everything is good now, and I appreciate anybody that made it this far. Catch me on the next one, everybody. Peace.